Now, the third question based on elimination method. This is one linear equations. X minus 2y equal to 15. The second linear equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 2. Now you need to solve this question by elimination method. Again, remember the concept of how to solve elimination method. Now the first step is you make sure that the coefficient of any variable, either x or y, equal. So in this case, the coefficient of x is 1, where in this case coefficient of x is 2. To make this equal, I want to make this 2 over here, this 2 over here. So what I can do, how can I proceed so that the value of this x become 2? So you need to multiply equation number 1 by 2. This is my equation number 2, this is equation number 1. To make this 2x, you need to multiply equation number 1 by 2. So now if you multiply this 2 in the whole equation, what you will get? This 2 multiplied by x will give you 2x minus this 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4y is equal to 15 into 2 comes 30. Now I rewrite the second equation as it is. So this equation is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Now in this equation number third and equation number 2, both x variable, x coefficient, this 2 is equal. Now I can easily cancel by subtracting the equation. So if you subtract this equation, so what you will get, this is plus 2x, this is minus 2x, cancelled out, and this is minus 4y minus 3y, and minus means addition of these two quantity. So this will minus 4 minus 3 comes minus of 7y is equal to 30 minus 2 comes 28. Now what is the value of y in this case? 28 divided by minus 7. 7 4s are 28. So you will get y equal to minus sign with 4. So in this case you will get the second variable value by eliminating the x variable first. Now with the help of this y, I am going to calculate x value. Now for this you put this y equal to minus 4 in either of equation. Either you put this value of y in equation number 1 or you can put this y value in equation number 2. So I am putting this y value in equation number 1. So if you put this value in equation number 1, what you will get? X minus of 2y is equal to 15. This is my equation number 1. Now I am putting the y value. This y value is minus 4. So I am putting this y value is minus 4. So what you will get? This is x. This minus and minus multiplication comes positive. So you will get minus minus plus, and 2 4s are 8 is equal to 15. So 8x is equal to what? 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 comes 7. So this is the value of x. Now you can put this y value in equation number 2 also, and you will get the same result. Now in the next step I am putting this y value. Still I got this value x equal to 7, but in the second phase I am just showing it to you that if you put this y equal to minus 4 in equation number 2, you will get the same result. So my second equation is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. So from here, if you put this y value is equal to minus 4, so this I am putting y equal to minus 4. So this is 2x plus and minus multiplication gives minus sign equal to 12 equal to 2. So this 2x is equal to how much? This 2, and this is in right hand side means addition of value. So 2x is equal to 14. So my x become 7 again. So by doing this, I'll just show it to you that if you put this y value in any of this equation, your result becomes same. You will get x equal to 7, and y equal to minus 4. So for this equation, my x value is what? 7, and my y value is what? Minus 4. Now how can you check whether your answer is correct or not? It's simple step. You just put x equal to 7 and y equal to minus 4 in either equation 1 or in 2. You will get the left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. So I am taking this equation number 1 to check my answer. So if you put your x equal to 7 here, so you will get 7 minus of 2y. So I first write the equation x minus 2y equal to, I need to calculate this. What is the value of x minus 2y? So what is the value of x? X is 7. X is 7 minus 2. Y is what? Minus 4. So I am putting y is equal to minus 4. What you will get? So 7 minus minus plus 2 4s are 8. So 7 plus 8 comes 15, which is equal to my right hand side value. So I start with my left hand side value x minus 2y, and finally the result is equal to the right hand side value. So my left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. It means that my answer is correct. X equal to 7, y equal to minus 4. This equation, the solution of this equation is absolutely correct. So this is how you solve the equation of linear equations by elimination method. Here I am eliminating one variable, find out the second variable value. Now put this value in either equation 1 or equation 2. If I am putting in equation number 1, I will get x equal to 7. In equation number 2, x equal to 7. Both will give you the same result. And after this, how can you check whether your answer is correct or not? Simply you put x and y value in any equation. Either in 1 or 2, you will get left hand side value is equal to right hand side value.